I don't know about you, but anytime when I'm on holidays, I love to get a fresh coconut because the coconut water is just amazing when it's a nice ripe fresh coconut. So I'm here in Benidorm and I've searched high and low for fresh coconut. The coconuts in Benidorm come in plastic wrappers. Have you ever seen anything like that before? With like a wee top or something on the top? So I'm intrigued to see what this is. So let's do an unwrapping. So you get your wee drinking straw with it. I'll cut this plastic off. Always cut away, don't be slitting your wrist. There's a lot of plastic wrapping on this thing. And then there's a layer of cellophane. So it actually is a real coconut, and they've already cut all the husk and stuff off. There's a stamp on it, but I can't see any date on it, so don't know what that's about. It doesn't actually do anything. But it has a wee red stopper on it there, so if you remove that, so I can't really see any purpose for this. Maybe somebody out there knows. I think you use it maybe to punch a hole through the top of the coconut. Yep, that's what it's for. It's for puncturing the top of it, so you can get your straw in. So it's a fresh coconut, so I suppose because it's in its natural shell, it's probably fresh enough. I've no idea how long this could have been sitting on the shelf for, so let's see. Yep, still fresh and gorgeous. So there you go folks, a Benidorm coconut.